and welcome to Inspiration for Writers with etetutor. So in this video we're looking at another American writer and another no-nonsense sentiment from Nathaniel Hawthorne. Easy reading is damn hard writing. Okay? So let's unpick that one if you're not quite sure. What he's trying to say there is that something that's very easy to read, something that flows, something that's appealing, has probably been extremely hard to write. And this applies if you're doing any kind of English exam where you need to be creative in any way, because you work damn hard. I know you do. And it should be very easy for me as an examiner to read. Alright then, best of luck to you all. If you haven't already subscribed to this channel and you feel you need this regular inspiration, please do so, because there'll be plenty more of these videos coming soon. Okay then, bye for now.